Okay, we're gonna go directly down that way. I think I want to show you a little bit of that, and then we're gonna walk down this street to kind of give you a little context of where we are as well. Okay. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so before we even begin, just kind of go over in this context of this one. This is a lot of land that has been this way since the entire 8 years that I've been here. I don't know what it is. It keeps being overgrown by tons and tons of grasses and greenery and everything like that. Over there is Guanyin. I don't know if you can see it through the trees. Yeah, but I wonder if this land went back to the government. Somebody had it and they didn't do anything with it. And then they sold, I think I heard that they sold it. I don't know, they went back to the government anyways. So they're just trying to find somebody who can actually do something with it, I guess. Can't quite see Guanyin from here, but it's a little statue. It's always nice to see that one. Anyways, that's not even our focus. Our focus is, I don't know, prohibited from entering. So let's just go down this little street right here. This is called Rua Cidade de Porto. So that's going to be our focus. MGM is down that way. The big bank here. Before we go down that way, we're just going to follow that street. But I just want to show you a little bit of this. So this, it's all these signs here. So this is kind of a big main street with this beautiful park in the middle. All these tall banyan trees in the middle. Goldfish pond over there. I have filmed in this part before, but I just wanted to just kind of let you see the context of where we are. There's a little bit of Guanyin. I think you can see it through the trees a little bit, the head. Right there. The camera's kind of on a view that's good to see more things, but it makes maybe some things look a little hard to see in the distance. I might be able to see it better with my eye. Here's Korean place. Isa Hanguk Shiktang. Excuse me. So you got a Pickles Beef Noodles restaurant, Braise, Macau. Then next to it you got a Korean one. Isa Hanguk means Korean and Shiktang means restaurant, Korean restaurant. Isa Korean restaurant. And it's written in Chinese as well. So see, looks like they have a lot of like, in Japan they call it like a bento box. So it's like they don't know the Korean word for bento box, but it looks like all bento boxes. Looks like it's closed right now though. But yeah, Isa Hanguk Shiktang. Karaoke bar. Closed, of course, at this time of day. This looks like a real estate one. You just kind of see what some of the prices are. So I think this is to buy, it looks like. I don't think that would be. This used to be, this goes up to a rooftop up there that I can see if you're above it, but you can't see it from here. It used to be more open to the public probably at one time. Wines and sake. Get some food there. Okay, there's I think that one is Escott. It's a hotel. Nice hotel there. Saunas. And MGM Casino straight ahead. This is like kind of catered towards mainland Chinese. You have like shark fin stuff, like St. Joao. Another wine shop, liquor shop. Happiness Chateau. It's like a beautiful street to walk down, of course. That's this one. And the MGM is straight ahead. Let's keep on going down. It's kind of cool, eh? Nice little view right there. Let's just kind of see, this is the one that we just went down, that giant lot that's probably worth a lot of money. I don't know what they're going to do with that lot. Go down a little bit further. So this is Rua Cidade de Porto. This is pretty common. Got little jewelry shops catered towards the mainland Chinese market, so they can pawn off their stuff and pick up different stuff for gambling. And we're kind of coming to the end. Got MGM straight ahead. So there's a giant MGM casino. And then you got Senado Muchino Toy. There you go. Over there's the Wynn Casino right there. Wynn Casino, MGM Casino. Black and white tiles all the way down. And some of this stuff too. So okay. Hope it's kind of interesting. And we're just going to end this one right here. So we're kind of near the casinos. And that's the Wynn Casino straight up there. The hotel and then the casino part too. And the MGM right there. Then you got some other ones. Let me see. This one you got, I don't know what these all are. These are all different things, watches, gold. And then you got this one, it's called the La Arc, I believe, is the name of this one. And we're gonna end this video right about here, I think. Okay.
Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha.